In the heart of Whispering Woods, where the trees sing and the streams sparkle, lived three best friends, Lily the gentle rabbit, Leo the clever squirrel, and Benny the wise turtle. Every day, they played together, exploring the tall trees, splashing in the creek, and gathering tasty treats. The forest animals all lived in harmony, sharing the woods with laughter and kindness. But one sunny morning, the friends discovered a rare golden acorn, bigger and shinier than any acorn they had ever seen. Instantly, each friend wanted it for a different reason. Lily wanted to plant it so a grand oak tree would grow, Leo wanted to keep it as a treasure in his burrow, and Benny wanted to study it because he believed it was magical. Each friend was convinced their idea was the best, and soon, whispers of argument filled the forest, catching the attention of other animals. As the friends' voices grew louder, the other animals in the forest became unsettled, picking sides and arguing too. The once peaceful woods filled with tension, and the animals started avoiding each other. Seeing how their disagreement was affecting everyone, the three friends decided they couldn't let the forest stay like this. Together, they went to seek the wise old owl, who told them, "True peace doesn't come from keeping things for ourselves. It comes from understanding each other and finding ways to work together." Inspired, Lily, Leo, and Benny thought hard about how to bring harmony back. They agreed to try each other's ideas. They planted a part of the acorn, kept a piece as a keepsake, and even studied it with the help of all the animals, who shared stories of its past. With teamwork, they soon learned that everyone could be happy by sharing. The forest became more united than ever, and animals from all around came to see the majestic golden oak that sprouted from their peace. Lily, Leo, and Benny realized that peace wasn't about always agreeing, but about finding a way to work together, and that was the most beautiful treasure of all.